You say you're no good, but you're good for me. I've been hoping to change. Now I know we can change, but it won't if you're not by my side. Why does it feel right every time I let you in? Why does it feel like I can tell you anything? Your secrets that keep me in chains. All the time that might make me dangerous. You've got a dark side, guess you're not the only one. What if we both try fighting what we're running? We can't fix it if we never face it. What if we find a way to escape it? We could be free, free. We can't fix it if we never face it. Let the past be the past till it's weightless. Time goes by and I lose perspective. Your hope only hurts, so I just forget. When you're breaking through all the dark and we're not talking, nobody could. I know waking up when he fucks me that I got a little fool. Ain't boss man, it's not about time. Ain't no trust in all these words and leave me pointing words nowhere. It's just easy when I'm with you, no it's easy the way you do. I'm trusting, but I want to keep coming back to why does it feel right every time I let you in? Why does it feel like I can tell you anything? We can't fix it if we never face it. What if we find a way to escape it? We could be free, free. We can't fix it if we never face it. Let the past be the past and it's weightless. Oh, take my
Thank you, Hyacinth and Theo, our little Ruby and Gino. At this moment,